Good morning, students. Buenos días, estudiantes. Today we're going to review some vocabulary words from the story The Little House. Hoy vamos a revisar el vocabulario de la historia La Casita Chiquita. The first word is grow. Grow means to become larger. Esta palabra es grow. Significa crecer. Here is the bubble gum. We will watch it grow. Aquí hay un globo de chicle, lo veremos crecer. The next word is swell. La siguiente palabra es swell. Swell means to become larger than normal. Swell significa hacerse más grande de lo normal. The bubble gum is beginning to swell with air. El globo de chicle comienza a hincharse con aire. The next word is burst. La siguiente palabra es burst. Burst means to break open quickly. Burst significa abrirse rápidamente el globo de chicle de ambiente con todo el aire. Here's the assignment for today. Esta es la página para hoy. We're going to start in the Wit Wisdom Deep Dives packet, primero en el paquete que dice Deep Dives. Please do not cut the page. We will be using the back. I am asking that students write in the answer. Por favor, no corten la página porque vamos a usar la parte de atrás. Por favor, avise a los estudiantes que escriben las respuestas. Now we're going to complete the worksheet together y vamos a terminar la hoja de trabajo juntos. Here we're going to list the words in order of intensity. Intensity means force or strength. Vamos a poner las palabras en orden de intensidad o fuerzo. We're going to start with the highest intensity. The boy who burst his bubble gum blew with the most force. El niño que reventó su chicle usó la mayor fuerza. So we will add the word burst. Burst will be the word with the highest intensity. Now, the boy who swelled his bubble gum blew with some force but not enough to pop it. El niño que hinchó su chicle explotó con fuerza, pero no lo suficiente como para reventarlo. So we will add the word swell. Our last picture is of a piece of bubble gum. There is no force of air being blown. This has the least intensity. El chicle no tiene fuerza de aire soplado. Esto tiene la menor intensidad. So we will add our last word, grow. So go ahead and complete this at home, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.